In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Microsoft Forms survey in detail, following a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Let's dive in to ensure you can quickly and efficiently duplicate any survey you need. To start, head over to forms.office.com in your web browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. After logging in, you should see your dashboard where all your forms are organized. Spend a moment here to locate the particular form you'd like to duplicate. It'll save time if you have a clear idea of its title or its appearance. Now let's move on to duplicating the survey. Hover your mouse cursor over the form you want to copy. As you do this, you'll notice a few icons appearing on the form. One of these is the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Give that a click. From the menu that unfurls, select the copy option. This action will generate a duplicate of your original form and place it right there in your forms list. You'll see it's an exact copy with all your questions, the design, and any settings you've configured. However, remember the responses won't be copied over, ensuring your new survey starts fresh. Next up, we need to make sure this duplicate is easily recognizable. Click on the new form to open it. You'll find yourself on the form settings page. Here's where you can give your duplicated survey a fitting name, replacing the default title if you wish. For instance, you might take something like Customer Feedback Survey Copy and change it to Customer Feedback Survey 2025. If your survey includes a description, consider updating that too to reflect any changes in the year or audience focus. Before you share your newly duplicated survey, think about any customizations you might still want to make. This could involve tweaking questions to reflect updated content like new dates or time slots. Fine-tune the settings as well. Decide who can respond, whether anyone with the link or only people within your organization can participate. Don't forget to set your response dates if there are specific start or end times, and configure notifications to keep you in the loop on incoming responses. Finally, when you're satisfied with the customizations, it's time to share your duplicated survey. Look for the share button positioned at the top right corner of your page. Click on it, and now you can choose how you'd like to distribute your survey. You can copy the link, generate a QR code, or send an email invite directly. Whichever method you choose, rest assured that this duplicated survey is entirely independent of the original, ready for responses with its settings intact. And there you have it, a straightforward way to duplicate and ready a Microsoft Forms survey for use. Remember, this process allows you to reuse valuable structures efficiently while keeping content fresh and relevant for each new